mind the, ooh, I didn't mean to do that. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So this video I am the most excited about because you guys can't tell already, we have officially hit 1,000 subscribers. Honestly, we're actually over 1,000. I think we're at like 1020. Let me check. So today is actually Christmas. Today is December 25th. So we are currently at 1021. I don't want to get too emotional, but if you guys follow me on Instagram, you guys know one of my year-end goals was to reach 1,000 subscribers, and we did it. So I'm just so over the moon, and I just want to say thank you to all of you guys for actually taking the time out of your day to sit down and watch me. It just means the world to me, and I just want to say thank you. I don't want to make this video forever long, but something that's a little personal, I think a lot of people don't know. I struggle for a very long time with the fact that I always felt like I never found my thing, my thing that I was really good at, and I feel like I finally found it. And it's so incredible to not only find it, but also to have other people enjoy it with me as well and enjoy watching me do my thing. And I just again want to say thank you. So if you guys see in the background over here, there are a ton of like little products laid out. That is the giveaway. So this is my way of saying thank you again to all of you guys. So I'm going to be doing a massive giveaway. I'm going to see if I can kind of put a little picture here of everything because it's just way too many things for me to go through one by one. Entering is going to be super easy. You of course have to be subscribed to my YouTube channel, which is right down below. If you are not subscribed, subscribe right now. You have to of course be following me on Instagram as well. Once you're following me on both of my socials, I want you to come back to this video and comment down below and write down what are some of your dreams, what are some of your aspirations that you want to accomplish. And once you have written that, just at the end of your comment, just write done. That way I will know that you've completed all of the rules. So all of the rules and everything is going to be listed down below in the description box, just in case you guys forget anything. So just check that out. So good luck to everyone, and thank you so much for following me and being with me through this entire ride. And we are still on this ride, and we're still going to continue, and we're still going to keep growing. So just thank you so much. By the way, I finally figured out how to like connect my camera to my laptop. So I actually have a monitor here, which is super duper helpful. But the only thing is I keep looking down at my monitor to look and make sure that everything is in focus. Anyways, that's not even important. Getting on to the actual video, I'm going to be talking about all of my 2018 favorites. I have a lot of products, so I hope this video isn't too long. But it's literally a full face, from moisturizers to lashes to palettes to everything. So for moisturizers, I have 3 things, and all of these moisturizers work best for every single skin type. I'm talking normal, combination, dry, everything is going to work for you. And the first one that I have is the Neutrogena Hydra Boost Gel Serum. This is super duper lightweight. I love the way that it feels on my skin, and it does have hyaluronic acid in it, so it does definitely make your skin feel really nice after. The other 2 is the Physician Formula Rosé All Day. I love this serum. I have actually gotten this at Generation Beauty, and when I first put it on my skin, I fell in love immediately, and that does not happen a lot for me. So this serum specifically actually comes in like a little dropper, and it looks white, but once you start rubbing it on your skin, it actually turns into this iridescent pink kind of finish. The last moisturizer that I have is the Milk Makeup Cooling Stick. I love this stuff. Literally feels amazing. It moisturizes and hydrates your skin without it like feeling super duper heavy. For foundation, I actually have 3, and you guys are going to be able to guess maybe probably 2 out of these 3 things because I use it all the time on camera, and these are the 3. So the first one is actually the Makeup Forever Matte Velvet Skin Foundation. This is their new foundation that they came out with, and I'm in the shade Y455. I love this foundation because it literally is like a better version of your skin. It's not super duper matte, but it's not super dewy either. It's that perfect in between. And I did put a full size of this foundation in my giveaway, so that is just to show you guys how much I love this stuff, because I want you guys to try it as well. The other 2 foundations that I have is the Jouer High Essential and my NARS Natural Radiant. The Jouer foundation, I'm in the shade Caramel, and in the NARS Natural Radiant, I'm in the shade Tahoe. The Jouer is super duper duper like full coverage. I have never used a foundation as full coverage as this, and honestly this foundation has spoiled me because I can't use like a natural finish foundation in the sense of the coverage. And the NARS Natural Radiant is not as full coverage, but it's still super duper full coverage. This is like on another level. But the NARS Natural Radiant is literally that perfect dewy skin, and it doesn't make your skin look oily, because I will be honest, I hate dewy foundations, but this is again that perfect in between. These NARS Natural Radiant is much more dewy than the Makeup Forever, but I still really like this. And honestly, this mixed together with the Jouer is my holy grail. Concealers. I have 3 again, and you guys probably already know what 3 they are. First one is the Too Faced Born This Way concealer. I'm in the shade Sand. Love this concealer. Then we have the Tarte Shade Tape. This is in the color Tan Sand. And lastly, the incredible Jouer High Essential Concealer. This is in the shade Dulce de Leche. All 3 of these concealers are super high coverage, super lightweight, and do not crease that much on me. These are incredible, incredible, incredible concealers. So if you are interested in buying any 3 of these, do not hesitate, buy them. Moving on to powders, I also have 3. So the 2 setting powders that I have, first off, we have the Milk Makeup Blurring Powder. I love this powder. I did receive it in PR, and once I used it, I literally fell in love with this powder. It blurs out my entire skin. I can even use this to set my entire face, and it doesn't give me a flashback, which I absolutely love. The second powder that I have is the Hourglass Veil Translucent Powder. This does have a little bit of shimmer inside, but it does not show texture or anything like that. This literally makes your skin look incredible. I'm talking like a glow within, but it's like, it's just beautiful. Like, I don't know how to describe it to you guys, but if you guys ever go to Sephora, get a sample of this powder, try it out, because I know it is expensive, but I'm telling you, it is worth your money. And the last one that I have, if you guys have been watching me for a really long time, you guys know about this powder. It is the Maybelline Better Skin powder in the shade Coconut. I low-key have a love-hate relationship with this powder, because every time I go into the drugstore, Coconut is their darkest shade that they have, and you can definitely tell this is not a very, very dark shade. This is my shade, but there are so many other darker shades that are out there that they don't cater to. At least from my understanding. I haven't gone on the website yet, but this is such a beautiful powder. I literally set my entire face with this. So I'll go in with a loose translucent powder, set my under eyes and kind of my T-zone, and then I'll set the rest of my face with this and kind of buff out any type of like extra loose setting powder that I have. So the next product I'm going to talk about is actually a cream product, and this is the Pixi by Petra their multi-balm sheer sculpt. It's super sheer, but what I love about it is that you can really build this up. If you're the type of person where you're a little intimidated with cream contour, this is the perfect introduction for you. And I'm still getting used to cream contour. I'm not really the best at it, so that's why I love this so much. So for powder bronzers, I actually have 2, and we have the Hoola Benefit Bronzer. This is just a really universal bronzer for every single skin tone, so that's why I love this. I actually have 2 of these, so if that's not showing you how much I love it, I don't know what will. The second one that I have is the Anastasia Beverly Hills Powder Bronzer in the color, oh my god, I cannot say the word color correctly. This is in the color Saddle, and this is a beautiful color for anyone who is my skin tone, like brown color girls. I will do a little bit of a side comparison of the Hoola Benefits and the Anastasia bronzer. You can definitely tell that the Anastasia one is a little bit more orange and a little bit deeper, but they both work beautifully on our skin tone, so do not worry. Moving on to blushes, I have 2, and these 2 are literally my ride or die blushes. And it is first the LA Girl Just Blushing Blush in the color Just Playful. Literally, this color is so beautiful, and the pigmentation on this is just insane for the price. The second blush that I have is the Wet n Wild Color Iconic Blush. So this actually broke on me. I don't know, like, I'm hoping it doesn't fall out, but the whole thing is literally coming out of the whole packaging, and I need to get another one. But this is in the shade Mellow Wine. Again, super duper pigmented, really easy to blend out, and the formula is beautiful. I have 2 highlights here, and you guys already know which one I'm going to say. So this is the Ofra Cosmetics and Nikkie Tutorials collab. This is in the shade Glow Gold. Literally, this is the best highlighter ever. I used to have the Becca Cosmetics highlight, the one that Jaclyn Hill like collabed with them. What is that shade name? Hold on, I think I have that. Champagne Pop. I used to love this highlight, and I think this is the highlight that I included in my 2017's favorite. But once I tried the Ofra Cosmetics formula, their formulas is insane. And what I love about their highlights is that you do not need to sit down and build and apply 24 layers of a highlight to get it super intense and super blinding. Literally, one swipe of this with your brush, it's insane. The last highlight that I have is actually a palette. This is the Milani Rose Glow Stellar Lights palette. It comes with 3 different highlights and they all are absolutely beautiful. You do not have to build this up. I will say for my specific skin tone, the only color that I can really use is the middle one. Sometimes I'll mix in this, just kind of pop it on the very center of my cheeks, so I'll give it that like extra dimension. But this is absolutely beautiful for the price. So I will say if you are into a drugstore alternative, try this one. Moving on to lashes, I have 2, and these are super duper affordable. So the first one is the Kiss Couture lashes. These are their triple push-up collection. This is in the kind of, I guess, style Teddy. Super dramatic, super lightweight, and super comfortable to apply. And the second one that I have is the Christina number 43 lashes. These are actually some Amazon lashes, and these were recommended by Carly by Belle here on YouTube. I'm sure you guys know who that is, but these are some awesome lashes. Let's move on to eyes, and let me just say, this product that I'm about to show you has been life-changing for me, and it is the Pop Beauty Flash Shadows. These are exactly like the Stila Magnificent Metals that they had came out with, that everyone was like all over, and I will say I love these. I do wish that they would kind of extend their shade and have a ton of more shades and a ton of more glitters, but these are absolutely beautiful. And the 2 that I specifically bought are Crushed Copper and Cosmic Confetti. The previous video that I did for the holidays, I put this all over my lid and it literally looks absolutely beautiful. If you haven't seen that video, I will link it up here. Just go check that out. Really quickly, I want to talk about LIT Cosmetic glitters. I love these loose glitters. Absolutely beautiful. And they have such a wide range of like glitter colors and glitter sizes, so you can kind of really choose what you're the most comfortable with. So I have a ton of these shades in my drawer. I'm not going to go through all of them, but the one that I really do love is their Lit Metals in the color Nudity Plus Silver. Again, I don't really think you can see it on camera, but it is that beautiful like pink champagne rose gold type of color. And I only have 1 palette to include for this video. Sorry, my nose is scratching. So this is the Desi and Katie collab with Dose of Colors. This is their Friendcation palette. I absolutely love this palette. These shades are literally so unique and so easy to work with. This is kind of the palette that you take with you on vacation, because you can create so many different looks with 1 palette, and literally people will probably think that you packed like a shitload of makeup, when in all honesty, you just packed 1 palette. Okay, I have 2 more categories to go through because I feel like this video is forever long, and I'm going to be talking about setting sprays now, and I have 2. And of course, I'm going to include the Morphe Continuous Setting Spray. This is the bomb.com. If you were ever interested in buying this, you heard it from me. Buy it. You are not wasting your money. And the second one that I have is a little bit more high-end. This is the Too Faced Hangover RX 3-in-1 Primer. So this is a replenishing primer, so you can put it before you apply your makeup and after you apply it. This is such a beautiful primer. This is such a beautiful setting spray. They both do the same thing. I will say I like the spray on the Morphe one just because it's so fine and it's such a fine mist that literally applying it feels like a dream. Alright, this is the last category, and we are talking about lips. So I'm going to first do, what are we going to do? Let's do lip liners, and you guys already know what I'm going to say, and these are the Wet n Wild gel lip liners. These are the only lip liners that I use, and I love them so much. My favorite 2 shades are Gone Burgundy and Don't Be a Prune. What I love about these is that they are so easy to apply, and the fact that they are retractable liners make it literally so easy to kind of put on your lips. Okay, now for lipsticks, I actually have 4, and my all-time favorite lip shade is this one from Maybelline. This is their Nude Nuance. If you guys watch my new lipsticks for brown color girls, I included this as well. It is the perfect nude lipstick for any color brown colored girl. I have my Dose of Colors Stone Liquid Lipstick. Again, this is such a beautiful shade. It is definitely matte. So if you're looking for something that's like more on the matte side and a liquid lipstick, this is the one for you. I also absolutely love this liquid lipstick from Ofra Cosmetics. This is in the shade Harbor. It is the perfect, like, not too dark brown color liquid lipstick. It is literally, it's just perfect. I don't even know what to say, but it's It's perfect. And the last liquid lipstick is actually the one that I'm wearing. This is from Pop Beauty. This is their permanent pout line. This is in the shade Basic B. This is like a much darker version of the Ofra Cosmetic one that I just showed you. It is definitely a brown, but it has like hints of mauve in it, which honestly makes it look absolutely beautiful. Oh wait, I have to talk about this. This is the Morphe and Jaclyn Hill collab. This is her like brush collection. I did buy the full collection. I will say these are so worth buying. Don't mind like the black handle brushes. These are just like some stuff that I have in here that I use on a daily. I have to say, Jaclyn Hill's brush collection with Morphe is literally thebomb.com. If you are looking for a brush collection because you want to add more or you want to get some really good ones that are affordable, please do yourself a favor and buy these from them. So yeah, this is the end of the video. This is going to be my last video of 2018 that I'm going to upload. So do not forget to enter the giveaway, and I just want to say thank you for literally such an amazing year, and thank you for being with me and sticking with me and continuing to stick with me through everything that I go through. So yeah, thank you so much for watching as always, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye!